Welcome to STEM
Welcome to
Academy.
STEM Academy.
We are very excited to show you our students engaged in our STEM workshops, where we use our hands-on learning approach. In these workshops, students get the chance to engage in our STEM process of designing, creating, testing, and retesting. Like you see here, students design how they want it to look and create their design using a variety of materials provided for them. Once their design is created, the children get to test their product and make adjustments based on what they think can be improved.
Pick up the health capsule.
Yeah.
So it heals us. You can get those coins. Jump to the right.
Yeah. And then we can't pick up when
we can't pick it up when our health is full. Good. Jump to the right again.
Then we go up here.
All right. So
at STEM Academy, we also offer chess workshops.
All right.
This helps students learn the competitive and intriguing game of chess.
Let's do a lesson today about
students
setting
work
up
together
the board.
alongside a chess master to understand the rules and moves of this strategic game.
Now, this is how the board looks when it's completely set up, okay? There's pawns on the front row in front of the pieces, and then there's pieces on the back row. All right, you get 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishop, 1 king, and 1 queen. All right, the king and the queen go in the middle, and then you put 1 of each on each side of the king and the queen. So, for example, the queen gets a bishop, the king gets a bishop, the queen gets a knight, the king gets a knight, and finally the queen gets a rook, and the king gets a rook. And we're gonna divide the chessboards into 2 halves, okay? On the queen side, half of the board, and the king side, half of the board. So the king has 1 bishop, 1 knight, and 1 rook, and the queen has 1 bishop, 1 knight, and 1 rook. And they both have 4
pawns. Been a push in
instance,
recent years to teach children at younger ages about computer programming.
And right means 1. And
I think down.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm just giving an example.
Yeah.
So up means 1, up means 0, and down means 1, and left and right is left is 2 and right is 3. That's what it means. Yeah. Right is 2 and
right those are indexes for our key is down array.
So what do you think animation is? Have you ever done?
I've done a bit of animation, and mostly animation is the thing you watch, those cartoons you watch on the TV. So in the background, they mostly do the animation.
So what have you done with animation?
I did this thing where there was a ball, and then I had to carry on putting balls down. So then when I pressed play, it'll start bouncing.
Oh, okay, cool. So how did you animate that?
I had a ball, and then there was a graph. So then at the bottom it said 1. Then I put 1 and 2. So then I put another 1. And 3, then put another 1 until I got to the end. I pressed the start, and then it bounced the way I did it.
So cool. You just like moved everything slightly, and then once you played all the images together, it looked like it was moving on its own, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So animation is basically taking a bunch of still images that when like played together, you end up with a moving image. All right. So this is what Pivot looks like as like a default document. The premise of this software is that it keeps it simple enough for you to be able to make, for you to be able to capture movement, like human-like movement in a bigger form. But it also like can make super detailed animations, such as like the ones that came preloaded. These were made by the developer of the software himself using. This is like what
When
he
it comes to
intended.
making games, Scratch has its limitations, and Stencil helps solve some of those problems. In our class, kids will learn how to use the Stencil software. We're also learning the coding that can create new and challenging 2D video games. Stencil uses a block-based coding language to power their games, so students can focus on learning standard coding concepts such as loops, conditional statements, and functions in an easy-to-use environment, while also being engaged in making and testing their own games. During class, we will discuss the core concept of the day and how to go about programming that in Stencil. Kids will get an explanation of why we make the decisions that we do when we design, draw from their own experiences, and contribute to how our code is made. Afterwards, the kids are encouraged to customize their settings, their level designs, and other aspects of their game to truly make their game be their own. Over time, they will develop their creativity, logical reasoning, and confidence while they make and ultimately present the projects that they made.
Our engineering workshops, along with all of our other offered programming, end with our students
You're set?
presenting their projects to
Yes.
each other.
Okay.
This enables them to develop their public speaking
Sports.
skills.
My name is Shreyan Devoy, and I am 7 years old, and I love playing sports. Do you watch or play sports? Sports is a physical activity which helps your body and mind. It is fun and exciting. There are many types of sports, for example, cricket, football, tennis, and badminton. Sports keep you healthy and fit. It keeps you strong and flexible. My favorite sport is I love playing football. When I hit the ball into the goal, I am very happy. We should play any kind of sports every day. Thank you for listening.
Very good. All right. It looks like everyone has logged in. So I need everybody to unmute and also show your camera as well.
Hello,
Hello. How are you guys?
I'm okay, thank you.
Good. How was your day, everyone? Hello. Are you guys excited about today's class?
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. We have a lot of learning to do today, right? Okay. So some just a simple rule we're going to keep going forward. We're going to make sure that we keep our cameras on. Thank you to everyone for taking the time to watch our video and learn about the different programs we offer. At STEM, we love providing a practical, hands-on learning environment for children. As you can see through our engineering, art design, computer programming, puppet works, and public speaking workshops, we aim to give children an opportunity to explore and learn about STEM while using their imagination and creativity. Stay tuned for more videos and let us know which one is your favorite. Thank you.